Hello, today we will guide you through how to change time zone in Exness App. To begin, open the Exness personal area. This is where you can access your trading tools and account-related settings. Once you're on the main page, take a moment to make sure everything is fully loaded so the menu options are easy to see and select. Next, click on Trade. This section is where Exness gives you access to the available trading platforms and terminals connected to your account. If you have multiple options on screen, look carefully for the one labeled Trade and select it to continue. After that, click on Exness Terminal. This will open the terminal environment where you can view charts, monitor price movement, and adjust certain display settings. Since the time zone setting affects how chart times are shown, this is the correct place to make the change. Once the Exness Terminal is open, move your cursor over the chart area and right-click on the chart. This will bring up a contextual menu with additional options related to the chart and symbol settings. Make sure you right-click directly on the chart itself, not on another panel or toolbar, so the correct menu appears. From that menu, click on Symbol. This section usually contains details and settings related to the selected trading instrument, including how information is displayed. If the menu looks slightly different on your screen, just look for the option closest to Symbol and open it. When the Symbol Settings panel opens, scroll down until you find the Time Zone or UTC setting. Here you'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to change the chart's displayed time zone. Click the drop-down for UTC, then choose the time zone you want to use. Take a moment to select the correct option carefully, especially if there are several UTC offsets listed. Picking the right one helps ensure that the time shown on your chart matches your local preference or trading strategy. And that's it. Once you've selected the new time zone, the chart should reflect the updated setting. If you don't see the change right away, give the platform a moment or reopen the chart settings to confirm your selection. This is a simple but useful adjustment, especially if you rely on chart timing for analysis or trade planning. Thanks for following along, and that's how to change the time zone in Exness.